So we insist that we believe in peaceful demonstrations. Wale waliharibu ni wale wanakuja kupiga watu risasi. Pale Mlolongo, kiini cha mambo yote hayo ni kwamba kijana anaitwa Dennis alikuwa kwa pikipiki, alipigwa risasi. Wananchi kuona hivyo, of course, wakapatwa na hasira isiyo ya kawaida. The result of it yajulikana, ni result ni yale ambavyo zote tunaelewa. But to insist on peaceful demonstration in accordance with the law of the land. And the supreme law of the land is our constitution, which guarantees the freedom of peaceful demonstrations, provided wananchi are unarmed. And it is clear, vijana tumeona, hakuna ambaye alikuwa anabeba silaha, hata hakuna aliyekuwa na mawe. Wengine tunapata habari mtu alikuwa anaenda kuchukua mtoto yake kama Kanyi pale karibu na Connections, kuchukua mtoto anasikia mguu umekuwa heavy, umepigwa risasi. So if you listen to these stories, you feel very sad about our country. We have only one country. I want to say we should all abide by the rule of law, even if it doesn't seem to favor your political situation. We must guard the rule of law with our lives. This is what young men are doing. The right to picket, the right to demonstrate. Article 37 of the Constitution. Wananchi wamepata civic education ya ajabu juu ya haki zao. So once again, Mother is the one carrying the message from the leader. But I'm happy to say that our brother Mwango Eria, former governor of Murang'a, has found the time to come. He's also the leader of Usawa Party. And we have the county rep, women rep of Busia, is it? Yes. Yeah, Busia. Of course, we have our brother Kioni, yeah. General Kioni here, Secretary General wa Jubilee. And yeah, I think at that level, of course, Gaucho is here. I didn't know Gaucho has come. Gaucho is here. I was with him in church on Sunday in Utawala, and he took me to the Bunge la Wananchi. And we have a host of other leaders here, the local leaders here. We thank you for finding the time. Governor Wavinya, thank you for finding the time with your team. I think the mother can express better what she found in terms of standards and all. But as I said, a lot of work needs to be done. Kou andumaitu tuasia pole ni sana. Wale ambao wameletwa hapa sio Wakamba peke yao. Kuna Wakamba as a whole nation. Naona Wanjala, naona Ocheng, tumeona Kanyi, tumeona Mwangi. Wakenya wote wameumia na wameletwa Machakos. Because hapa Machakos ni mahali pa amani. Kumbukeni hata watu wa South Sudan wanaongea juu ya Machakos Protocol. Because uhuru wa South Sudan ulitoka hapa Machakos. Kumbukeni hata wakati wa Gazia, this terrible situation ya 2007, wakati inji lilipuka. When the rest of the country was burning, Machakos was a haven of peace. I want to suggest vijana wetu, you have to demonstrate as you are right, but avoid kuchukua mali ya mama mboga, haimsaidii. Kwanza unataka kupitia actions zako umemsaidia. We are not used to uporaji wa mali in this part of the country. So wale ambao walipoteza mali yao, we also say poleni sana. All of this is in defense of our basic rights. Because basic rights are human rights. And these are very important, guaranteed under our constitution. So, Mother, you can speak, and maybe we'll allow Jeremiah. Maybe Governor Wavinya, you want to say anything? You are the host. It's up to you. You can choose to speak or to keep quiet.
She can close. She can close.
She can close. You just thank the team at the end. So, Mother, over to you, my sister.
Okay, maybe before I say something,